And we are live. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are in the world. You're tuning in. I'm Lori, the face of Life with Lure business page, a proud mom and a former OFW and a digital business owner on a mission to help more parents and professionals break free from the cycle of paycheck to paycheck. Today is a special one because I'll be chatting with a fellow inspiring mom, a nurse based in the UK, and one of the bold action takers in our community, Mrs. Yan Dueñas. Hindi lang siya nagliligtas ng buhay sa trabaho, kundi nagtatayo rin siya ng mas magandang kinabukasan para sa kanyang pamilya sa pamamagitan ng digital business na ito. So let's bring her, she's already on stage. Yan, can you share a little about yourself, your life in the UK as a nurse and as a mom?
Hello, everyone. So it's actually 2 in the morning here in the UK. So I had to wake up because I can't say no to Ate Lor. Yeah, so
Thank you.
again, and I've been a nurse since 2008, but I came here in the UK 2019. So it's been a long time as well. And in fact, in September, I'll be having my citizenship finally. So I'm also a mom of a
Congrats.
nearly 2-year-old boy. Yeah, so it's never been easy working abroad. So that's why I've decided to venture um into another business that will provide me with extra income.
Okay, thank you for that, Yan. Um, for my second question, sorry, medyo nagaano yung lalamunan ko. So, how did you discover this digital business? What was the first reaction when you saw it? Skeptical ka ba? Curious? Hopeful? So, ano yung na-feel mo nung nakita mo tong digital business?
So actually, yes, a little bit of background, how I started with this business. So it was actually introduced by someone who I know very well. So my cousin, she's also a nurse here in the UK. And during that time in 2024, yeah, 2023, 2024, I was on maternity leave and I've been praying for work from home because I
Mm.
was too anxious to go back to work. So I just want to stay at home to be present with my baby. But I can't do that as well because I've got bills to pay. When she told me about this business, so I jumped in right away. So I was not skeptical because as what I've said, I trust her. I know
Mm.
her very well, and it looks like she is enjoying the business as well. So yeah, that was my first reaction to jump in right away because I got excited because I was thinking that this is maybe the answer to my prayer to look for
Mm.
someone or to find something that can help us with our income if I decided to stop working. And another thing is I think I wanted to jump in as well because uh, the digital world is very promising. Yeah. So it is the
Mm.
modern day of the modern it nowadays digital world is very promising that everybody can, like, digital business, everybody can do it as long as you have internet connection. So I think that's it.
Mm. Okay. Pero my third question is almost yun na parang nasagot mo na rin, pero I'm not sure if meron ka pa ring maidadagdag. What made you finally say yes to the business? Kahit hectic yung schedule mo as a nurse and meron kang responsibilities as a mom. May
It is the
maidadagdag ka pa or
Yes, ate, it is the tiny hope, a little bit of hope because since when I started the business, I did not have business background. So it's the
mm,
tiny hope that made me say yes to the business because I'm hoping that okay, it's not gonna be overnight success, but I'm hoping that someday I will be able to retire early. Yeah. the tiny hope, the tiny ray of light.
So talagang kumbaga ang tinitingnan na natin yung future, 'di ba? As long as we're here in the business and we're consistent talaga and we put all our time and effort sa business. So darating talaga yung hope natin talaga magiging totoo na siya, 'di ba? So for those who are watching and will watch the replay later, yung mga nakaka-relate sa amin, you can message us. Yung website ko nasa screen. Yan, I think your website it's not on the screen. Would you like to put your website on the screen
Oh, yeah, yeah.
para at least makita ng mga viewers natin at the moment uh, sa live sa sa replay.
Yeah,
Okay.
that's it.
Okay. Yeah. And for my next question, was there a specific pain point or wake up call na sinabi mo sa sarili mo, "I need to do something different."
There are actually a lot of pain points, but I'm just gonna cite, because when before I became a mom, the burnout is just nothing. If you have 2 days off, you can recharge. You'll be
Mm,
okay going back to work again. But after I became a mom, it's becoming so hard. You will not be able to recharge on your days off because you feel guilty. You have to spend
mm,
time with your family, especially your baby as well. So the pain point, that's why I decided to jump into this business, is leaving my baby behind and taking care of others. Yeah, especially when he's not well, like sometimes teething, sometimes having flu, or just I don't know, just crying because he's nearly 2 years old now, so
mm,
becoming aware of the environment of me leaving, of his dad leaving. So it's really hard. So I was like looking forward that someday I will be able to, just focus on him, being with him on his milestones, being with every school activity that is gonna have in the future. So I'm
mm.
hoping, yeah. So yeah, as what I've said, this business is not gonna be you'll not become successful overnight, but if you are
Yes.
determined to become one, then yeah, someday,
Yeah.
someday, Ate Lore.
Mm. Nung baby pa yung mga anak ko, because I was in Singapore, 'di ba, for work. So nag-work ako doon. Pero I was lucky talaga na nadala ko yung mga anak ko na nandun. Pero every time na papasok ako sa work, nafi-feel ko pa rin yung parang dapat ako nag-aalaga sa anak ko, hindi yung yaya, 'di ba? So parang kung puwede lang maibalik yung time, 'di ba, na sana nakilala mo na yung digital kung meron ng digital business nung panahon na yun, sana 'di ba nakapag-start na ako at nakasama ko yung anak ko every minute. Hindi yung hindi yung katulad before na papasok ako sa work na parang malungkot ako kasi may iiwan ko, lalo na yung bunso kong, lalaki. Lagi siyang sumusunod sa'kin sa ano, sa pinto. Kasi parang ayaw niya akong umalis para
Mm.
pumasok sa work. Pero wala kang magagawa kasi kailangan mong mag-work, 'di ba? So, paano pa kaya yung mga OFW na naiwan nila yung family nila, yung asawa nila at saka yung mga anak nila sa Philippines, 'di ba? Minsan parang ilang years, 1 year, 2 years or more than 2 years na hindi nila nakakasama talaga yung family nila. So parang nagwo-work ka para kumita para sa family kaso hindi kayo magkakasama nung mga anak mo, 'di ba? So parang isa 'yun sa mga maso-solve ng business natin lalo na sa mga family na may mga maliliit pang anak para at least makita niyo katulad sa'yo 'yan, 'di ba? Makita mo yung milestone nung anak mo, 'di ba? Then, lastly, sorry, for those who are watching, paano mo made-describe yung business? yung digital business, itong business natin, how will you describe, sorry, in your own words?
Yeah, digital business is about utilizing the internet to earn. Please, everyone, rather than scrolling over and over again in Facebook. Please utilize the internet. I think most of the people nowadays having internet connection. So please, just instead of wasting, charging your phone, waiting for your phone to be fully charged, you're scrolling over and over again, but you're not receiving anything in return, sacrificing your sleep. So if you don't want to sleep early because you wanted to use social media or you wanted to use your mobile phone, then why not look for something that you can earn online. Yeah. So we are
Mm,
in the modern world now, and you will be left behind because rather than having the physical business, why not do or try the digital business? So we call it business in a box. I call it business in a small box because there are big boxes, there are small ones. So I call it business in a small box. It's like a jewelry box. I don't know if you can see it. Yeah. So you can bring it anywhere you go as long as you have internet connection and as long as you have your mobile phone. So give it a try. Isn't it, ate?
mm. Oo, totoo. Kaysa normally nung nasa Singapore ako, normally mga nakikita ko, um, nag-i-scroll sila sa Facebook, Instagram, pero ano lang talaga for entertainment purposes. Oo, okey naman siyempre yun, 'di ba? Once in a while kailangan natin ng entertainment sa buhay natin. So, siguro mga 30 minutes, 1 hour, pwede na siguro yun, sobra na rin yung 1 hour. Siguro 30 minutes, 'di ba, puwede mo na i-spend mag-scroll-scroll sa mga yung mga funny na makikita natin sa mga
Mm-mm.
reels, 'di ba, na maaaliw naman talaga tayo. Pero siyempre, 'di ba, parang kung i-spend natin more than 1 hour, 2 hours, 3 hours sa mga gano'n, parang nasasayang yung oras natin na sana meron tayong mga napapanood na mga yung matututunan talaga natin and mai-a-apply natin sa buhay natin para maging successful tayo, 'di ba? So, lastly 'yan, what can you say to other nurses or yung mga OFWs or yung mga moms, especially yung mga may mga maliliit pa na babies or sa mga dads din na they feel stuck, burnt out, or they are dreaming of more time freedom pero scared sila to try something new. Ano yung pwede mong ano yung masasabi mo sa kanila or ma-advise mo sa kanila?
Okay, yeah. So if you are watching and you are someone who is working to the point of breaking, so you know what I mean, yeah. Sometimes our body is become used to of working so hard, so we don't feel tired anymore until your our body shuts down. So there is always a way. So if you are a nurse, I know like the nursing profession is priceless, really. So no amount of money can ever pay us. No enough, money can ever, pay what we do in our profession.
Mm,
But we don't have to sacrifice freedom, we don't have to sacrifice ourselves, and we don't have to sacrifice family time. So you can always be a nurse forever as long as you're not gonna sacrifice your health, your mental health, your physical health, because it's not easy. So for those who are scared, so scared to try into something new, don't be, because I started this business, I don't have any idea. So when my cousin told me about it, that it's um marketing, like attraction market. So I wanted to run away. Although, yeah, I was so quick to jump in, but in my mind, I wanted to run away because I don't have any business background. And number two, I don't want to sell any products at all. I don't know. I'd
mm,
rather be selling cakes. I bake a lot and I used to
mm,
accept orders, but I stopped because of my baby. So I don't want any selling involved. But she made me understand that I don't have to sell anything. I don't have to bug anybody, friends, family. No, we are just using attraction market. So it's hard to understand when you're not in the business yet, but with the
Mm.
help of our training. Yeah, so it's a step-by-step training, so you'll be able to learn how to do this business. So it's very doable. So we have a lot of business partners who are older than us. Sorry for the term, but yeah, they managed to learn because of the step-by-step training. So don't be scared because as what we always say, the safe the comfort zone is a danger zone. So go out of your comfort zone and explore is because the digital world is the possibilities of the digital world is endless really. So I think that's it, ate.
True. Kahit naman ako, 'di ba, for my age, so parang feeling ko, paano ko gagawa ng ganito, paano ko kasi I'm not tech savvy, lagi ngang sinasabi ng anak ko, hindi ka "Oh, mama, you're not tech savvy." So, kumbaga minsan may mga times pa rin na kailangan mong magtanong, 'di ba? Pero through our step by step training na madali siyang i-follow kasi video based siya. So, matututunan mo talaga siya basta as long as ano ka, focus ka dun sa ginagawa mo at talagang dedicated ka na matuto. Magagawa mo katulad ko na hindi ako tech savvy. So, ayun, kung na-inspire kayo sa story niyan, at hinaot kini mahimong pahinumdom nga walay mausab kung dili ka molihok para usabon kini. Tama ba
Yeah,
yan?
true.
Yes,
Yes,
I'm
they.
learning
Yeah.
Bisaya. So if yan story inspired you, let this be your reminder na walang magbabago kung hindi ka kikilos para baguhin ito. So we're not here because we have all the answers. Nandito kami kasi nagtiwala kami kahit may fear talaga sa puso namin. So but we still took the leap. Kaya kahit hindi pa clear yung lahat. So hindi mo kailangan maging tech savvy, hindi mo kailangan maging expert, ang kailangan mo lang talaga yung matibay na why, bakit, at saka konting tapang para magsimula ka. So kung matagal ka na naghahantay ng sign, baka ito na yon or maybe ikaw mismo yung sign na inaantay mo. So maraming salamat yan, salamat sa manonood, and thank you so much sa story yan na binigay mo sa amin. Sobra kaming na-inspire. So let's keep showing others what's possible. Kahit simpleng tao, basta pangarap at willing kang magsimula. So you can message us or register sa website namin www.loriramos.com or kay Yan www.yanduenas.com to learn more. Earn smart, live free. See you again on our next live. Bye-bye.
Thank you so
Thank you,
much.
Yan.
You're welcome, ate.
Okay.